Can we make a dynasty with Seahawks? I don't know. Offensive line, Zay Bell, Lucas, Casa, all fine. Center and guard, right guard need to look. AJ Bott is decent. And Jason's obviously great. Cup is fine, I guess. Shaheed is good. Zach Charbonnet, they drafted Price. Jadarian Price. I gave star development too. Sam Darnold's good now. Um, he's out of New York. Defensively, I thought I don't know it was corner. I mean, they did draft Bobby Clark for free safety, so I could do Fred Clark, not Bobby. Just move annually to corner. Julian Love to strong safety. And I think I'm going to do that. I know he's a beast. Then Julian Love to strong safety. Start Bud Clark there for now. I do want to try and progress him. Maybe I put Bud Clark in kind of like a slot corner role. I might do that. Then Devon Witherspoon's great. Linebackers Hall. Dale Call is good. Jones is good. Thomas is decent. Demarcus Lawrence is old, but still fine. What happened to what's his name? He used to play for the Giants. What's his name? I wouldn't play him if I had this anyways. But I don't know. What's his name? Dalvin Thomason. I don't know. I don't care. It's Dalvin Thomason. But yeah. Any trades I want to do? You know what? If we can get some value from Cooper Cup, that'd be sick. If I can, I don't know. Whole comment. Tyson Campbell. Honestly, Tyson Campbell would not be a bad addition. Um, Mario Douglas. Hold on. If I can get Denzel Boston, which I would give star to. Oh, it's 100% doable. No, I want to maybe a sixth. We don't have a lot of draft picks. I know. I'm trying. I'm gonna see if I can get a first or a second. I don't think first if we would be able to get a first, but yeah, that won't happen. Can we get a second? Cooper Cup third this year. No, next year. It's going to the Browns with Tyson Campbell. Denzel Boston. Cup is just gonna regress. Perfect. Denzel Boston's a slot. I like him that spot. And then, you know, I could move an Ori back up to safety, or I could keep him at corner. I could trade Julian Love. Jake Ferguson. Could I get a decent draft pick with Ferguson? Probably not. Oh, it's 100% dope. Julian Love, sixth and a fifth. I'm a sixth this year, fifth next year. It's going to the Cowboys with Ferguson at this year. I'm gonna move Animoy back to strong safety. And then I'm gonna somewhere to a mid-season mark. How are we 2-5? I don't get it. Shit. I'm not gonna bring anyone back. Maybe it's a scheme change. I don't know. I don't know. I think we're probably gonna have to go after a safety eventually. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I do know I have to somewhere to the playoffs. So I stopped week 16. We're 9-5. 6th seed. So the 7th seed is LA 8-6. 8th seed is the Packers 8-6. 9th seed is the Bears 8-6. Okay. But somewhat week by week, we got destroyed. We do beat Carolina. Still the 6th seed. One more week to go. 7th seed's 10-6. 8th seed is 9-7. So we have to win this game. The Niners might be sitting their starters. I don't know if Madden does that. We lose and still make it play the 14-3 Lions. Take a look at the stats. Sam Darnold, not the greatest. Jadarian plays 769, 1 touchdown, 11 for the Shabin, 1,006 for the JSN. Denzel Boston's definitely not going to get a depth chart increase. Tackles for loss, 16 for Leonard Williams, 12 for DeMarcus Lawrence, 7 for Bud Krog, sacks 11 for DeMarcus Lawrence, 8 for Leonard Williams, 1.5 for Dale Cole. Picks 2 for Jones, 2 for Campbell, 2 for Anway, 1 for Knight, 1 for Krog, 1 for Witherspoon, 1 for Weston. I doubt we will beat the Lions. That's fine. That's fine. We do, and we play with Niners. Do we beat them? Okay, can we beat the Bucks? We do play with Jags in the Super Bowl. And we beat the Jags in the Super Bowl. Drake Thomas Super Bowl MVP. Josh Allen regular season MVP. Kyle Shanahan Coach of the Year. Puka Offensive Player of the Year. Mally Scale Defensive Player of the Year. Ashton Jeanty and Sony Styles. Our rookies of the years. Any depth chart increases? I don't see any offensively. How's Drake Thomas not up to a star? He was a Super Bowl MVP. Bud Croc's up to a star. I didn't think he would be. Did some of our players retire? Emmanuel Wilson. Jawan Reed. Deontay Fowler. Leonard Williams. Gosh darn it. So we need to go after defensive tackle. Except for fifth year option on JSN. Same for Devon Witherspoon. And we're not going to bring back anyone. George Pickens is available. How? I'm willing to offer him a lot of money. Dogs top snoring. We need a couple defensive tackles. Puna Ford should do it. Overpay for him. Actually, let's do 2 years. How is that not first? Let's do, yeah. No one's off on him. Let's adjust Puna Ford. We can manually adjust it if we want to. We did get Pickens. Actually, let's make it 2. There we get both of them. We only got Tom Guy. Couldn't afford one from the Falcons, but that's fine. And why is Drake Thomas not playing? I don't know. I guess we can roll a night. It doesn't matter. Hold up. I just want to see something. I don't want Charbonnet. Pick 29 overall. Let's remove Barton. Let's add him as 4th. 2028. I should get it done. It does. I do want to take a look at the final mock draft. Zach Creighton, Ben Moore. So I need defensive tackles going off of the first round. David Stone. OJ McCray. Second round player, maybe. I don't know. I think we do go online. Casey Poe is definitely the best one. We're gonna have to move aside, but center. Benmore. Pick number 64. I need good corners. Side defensive tackle still available. Dog, stop snoring. It's kind of a sick name. 57 in the class, star better development. Okay. If there's a decent defensive tackle, we would take one. If not, oh well. Let's try it. Oh shoot. Okay. So Poe's a 75, Moore's a 76. And Frederick is a 75. Not a bad draft. I am looking at defensive tackles overall. There we go. Alright, I'm going to submit to a mid-season mark. Okay, I have a mid-season marker. 3 and 4. Felix Bolden, top 5 projected defensive tackle. I doubt we will have a top 5 pick. But if we do, for Felix Bolden, I will not be that bad. But this is a sick defensive tackle class so far. No. Yeah, that's not too bad. We got Drake Thomas back. That's probably who I voted. Yeah. Dev Church are probably only going to be a star for the draft for the rookies, but that's fine. For offensive linemen are only stars. Verdeek is only a star. But again, that's fine. Alright, let's move to the playoffs. Okay, then we made for playoffs. 8 and 9. Madden loves it's 8 and 9. Again, Sam Darnold not particularly bad. Bryce 1,100 yards, 8 touchdowns. Pickens 12 and 12. Jason. Defensively, well. 13 TFLs for DeMarcus Lawrence, 11 for Derek Carr, 8 for Murphy. Sacks 12.5 for Murphy, 8.5 for Derek Carr, 6.5 for DeMarcus Lawrence, 4.5 for Jones. Picks 2 for Jones, 2 for Clark, 2 for Witherspoon. We'll do 1 or 2 more seasons. I mean, we've already won a Super Bowl here, so we'll just play it for fun. The Steelers beat the Falcons in the Super Bowl. No Seahawks for awards. George Pickens is up to an X Factor. That's only up to an increase on offense. But Marcus Lawrence retires. No. Oh, Jones is up to a superstar. What pick do we have? Felix Baldwin is supposed to be going number 1 overall. We have pick 15. Expect us to go John Pierce. mean, does not look too bad. I don't know. I feel like edge is more of a important position than defensive tackles. And outside of Steve Costa, this looks like a trash edge class. This is a this is a decent, good defensive tackle class. I think I have to prioritize the edge over as well. Jay Flowers is not coming back. I'm not grabbing him. I'm skipping off free agency. Actually, I do want to check if see if there's a defensive tackle or edge that I'll be remotely interested in. If I can get Cansey, that would be sick. No. No one's offering Kayvon Fittable. I'm gonna lower the price. It's a low risk, high reward situation here. Opportunity here. The Packers are in on Kayvon Fittable. We do not get Cansey. I can get Fittable. We can get a defensive tackle. I'm willing to try him out for 3 years. Yeah. Mock draft. So have us going John Pierce. He doesn't look too bad. I don't know. I think Ray is edge rusher. Is defensive tackle. Also, is a sick edge rusher, which I don't think there's one in this class except for what's his name. One with top 5 projection one, but I think that's like the only great edge rusher in this draft class. And a lot of the edge rushers are also on. Is the answer John Pierce? I think it is. Taylor here also looks quite good. I think it's going to be John Pierce, though. I'm a 57 class guy. I'm a number 15, I believe. 17 supposed to be like bad start, better development. I don't even know if Costa is going to be that good. If it was an edge available, we would probably pick one in the second round. If not, I don't know. Yeah. No, thank you. Josh McQueen looks somewhat decent depth player. I'm done. Okay. Pierce is a 73. What was that other defensive tackle that I was looking at? Baldwin's at 86. What's his development rate? Holy cow, 86. Yep, X Factor. Costa's at 81. Star 81 is still good, wow. But like he was only a 82. I'm at 72. I think I was right about edge rusher. Star development. That feels good. Yeah, I'm on just some way to mid-season. Excuse me? How are we 0-6? It's the 89 overall team. How is it 0-6? I'm not gonna do another season. This is pissing me off. Let's see. Let's see if we can have a comeback. No, we won't. I know this season's probably 7-8. There's no shot, is there? Okay. 8-9, making the playoffs. Sam Darnold, decent. Price, decent. Downs out Boston's the leading receiver this year. 14 TFLs for Murphy, 10 for Fitterbone, 9 for Hall. Sacks, 9.5 for Murphy, 9 for Fitterbone. 3 picks for Campbell, 3 for Freddie, 2 for Thomas, 2 for Jones. This is gonna be the last season. Can we beat the Falcons? We can. Can we beat LA? We can. Can we beat the Giants? Please tell me we can. No. Oh well. Who wins the Super Bowl? Giants shut out the Chargers. Um, then no Seahawks. Any depth chart increases. Remember what this was last season? Drake Thomas is up to a star. But that's about it. I'm signing off. Peace.